everyone. My name is Glenn Bullock, and I'm the CEO and one of the owners of Antunes.
Hi, I'm Jane Bullock, the Chief Purpose Officer here at Antunes.
Hi, my name is Eden Zeke. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm working as an intern in Antunes as a water engineer. Ethiopia is a country where there's an undeniable water and sanitation crisis. So water affects everything. It affects our health, education, and economy. So it starts from a mother losing her child to a water-related disease, leading the whole country to an extreme poverty. So in my home country, there are places where most children cannot access clean water. They cannot open the faucet and enjoy drinking clean water or water to begin with. And there are areas where girls have to travel miles to find clean water. The lack or the absence of sanitation infrastructures in schools are one of the reasons why girls drop out of school when they reach puberty. They deserve to have a splash out of life by having the most essential element of life, which is water.
This event could never take place if we didn't have the generous donations of our sponsors. We have many sponsors every year that support this event and come to this event. So we'd like to thank them for all their support and partnership with Antunes and Splash during this great outing.
The really wonderful thing about our golf outing is that it brings awareness to the work Splash is doing and, as we've said, the need around the world for clean drinking water. And whether you can only give a sponsorship of $150 or maybe you'd like to do the founder's donation of $10,000. Anywhere in between, we would love for you to be a sponsor for this year's golf outing, September 10th.